Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will dive into a detailed tutorial on one of the most popular wallets used on Telegram, the Tonkeeper wallet. Besides the official Telegram wallet, Tonkeeper is the go-to choice for many users due to its easy-to-use interface and wide range of features. This video covers everything from downloading Tonkeeper to creating and managing your wallet and transferring funds. Stick around to learn the key tips and tricks to get started. Whether or not you already use these cryptocurrency exchanges, I highly recommend signing up through the links in the video descriptions using the invitation codes or scanning the QR codes on the screen to register. By registering using the links below the video, you will be able to access the lowest cryptocurrency transaction fees globally. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, offers a spot trading fee of just 0.065% when you register through the link. Limit orders are charged 0.013% for future tradings and market orders at 0.0325%. Bitget is currently ranked among the top 4 global cryptocurrency exchanges. Registering with the link will give you a 50% discount on fees. Spot trading fees on Bitget are just 0.05%, while future trading fees are 0.01% for limit orders and 0.03% for market orders. KCEX is the exchange with the lowest fees globally, allowing you to trade without needing KYC and without network or VPN restrictions. By signing up through the link, spot trading is completely free. You heard that right. Limit orders are also free for future tradings, and market orders only cost 0.018% in fees. Bybit is ranked so worldwide and offers a spot trading fees of 0.06% when you use the link to register. Limit orders cost 0.012% for future tradings, and market orders cost 0.033%. KCEX, the 5th largest cryptocurrency exchange globally, charges just 0.064% for limit orders and 0.08% for market orders on spot trades when you register via the link. Futures trading fee are 0.016% for limit orders and 0.04% for market orders. Don't just focus on the transaction fees. Registering through these links give you access to the lowest fees globally. This can save you a significant amount of money, indirectly boosting your profits, an extremely important advantage for all of us. Before we jump into the details, let's take a quick look at what Tonkeepers offer regarding wallet options. The Tonkeeper wallet comes in a few different formats depending on how you prefer to manage your digital assets. Open Tonkeeper website, which is tonkeeper.com. So below you will see various options. The first one is mobile app. For those who like to manage everything on the go, you can download the Tonkeeper apps on your smartphone. It is available for both iOS and Android and offers full functionality right at your fingertips. Android user, you can choose to download it from Google Play or just directly download APK. For more advanced users, a desktop version, which is Tonkeeper Pro, allows you to manage your assets directly from your computer. This is ideal for those who prefer more control over their setup and extra security. And meanwhile, you can also choose to connect it with your Telegram account. Lastly, there are browser extensions as well. If you prefer to handle your wallet while you're browsing the web, Tonkeeper also offers browser extensions like Chrome that integrate seamlessly with your browsers, making transactions a breeze. So for here, choose the option that suits your style, and you can download Tonkeepers from the official website or app store. The setup process is straightforward, and we will be walking you through the mobile app and Chrome extension in the next steps. Now, let's start by showing you how to create a wallet. We will begin with the mobile app, and after that, I will also demonstrate how to set it up using the Chrome browser extension. So first, for iOS users, open your app store and type Tonkeeper and find the first result, which is Tonkeeper official wallet. Click on it and click Get. Once you've downloaded, install the app, open it, and press Create New Wallet. The app will ask you to set a passcode. This is essentially your app lock. So pick something easy to remember but secure. Now, if you ever delete and reinstall the app, you just need to re-enter a new passcode. After that, the Tonkeeper will take you directly into your new wallet. It is as simple as that. You will have a wallet address ready to go. You can choose to enable or disable notifications. I'm going to skip that for now, but it is up to you. Now, for those who prefer using the Chrome browser, here is how to set up the wallet using the extensions. Still, on the Tonkeeper website, find the Chrome browser options, click on it, and add it to your browsers. Click Add to Chrome, click Add Extension. Once installed, click on the extension icon, click Get Started. So for here, click New Wallet, which is Create New Wallet. So the process, just like we did with the app, follow the same steps to set up passcodes and you will be ready. Now you can manage your wallet directly from the browser. Now that you've created your wallet, let's talk about wallet management. It is really simple to add and manage multiple wallets within Tonkeeper. The steps are pretty much the same whether you are using the mobile app or browser extension. To add a new wallet, head to the wallet at the top and select Add Wallet. You can easily create as many as you need. If you want to delete a wallet at any point, you can do that too. Just go to the wallet you want to remove, click on the gear icon, Scrolling down, you will find delete accounts and select delete. Remember that deleting a wallet is permanent, so be sure you no longer need it or have backed it up. Now, with any crypto wallet, one of the most important things to do is to back it up. This is especially crucial because if you lose your funds or delete the app, you will need a way to recover your wallets on a new device. The way to do this is through your recovery phrase. First, let's open the Tonkeeper app. In the home page or in the setting, you will find the option to back up the wallet recovery phrase. This is the most important step, so don't skip this. When you click on it, Tonkeeper will warn you not to share this phrase with anyone. This is because anyone with your recovery phrase can access your wallet and all the assets inside, so make sure to keep it private and secured. Next, press continue and re-enter the passcode you set up when creating the wallet. Now, you will see your recovery phrase. In my case, it is 24 words. Write these words down and store them somewhere safe. I highly recommend writing them on paper rather than taking a screenshot or saving them to the iCloud, which can be vulnerable to hacking. If anything happens to your wallet or device, all you need to do is reinstall the app and input these 24 words, and your wallet will be fully restored. So once you write your recovery phrase down, click check backup and just verify your recovery phrase. Clicking done. Okay, so now your wallet is already back up. Also, if you have multiple wallets on the Ton blockchain, you can add and or into Tonkeeper using their recurring phrases. Click wallet at the top and just click add wallets. Choose existing wallets and input the recurring phrase of that wallet. Your wallets are always on the blockchain and Tonkeeper is just an interface to manage them. Finally, if you want to delete a wallet from the app, just press delete accounts. This will remove the wallet's data from your phone, but don't worry, as long as you have the 20-word recurring phrase, you can always reload it. Just make sure you have the backup. Tonkeeper integrates smoothly with Telegram bots, allowing you to manage your wallet directly from Telegram. Here is how to connect Tonkeeper with the Telegram bot in just a few simple steps. First, open Telegram and search for the bot by typing NoCoin in the search bar. Click on the website result. Once in the chat, tap the Open App button in the bottom left corner. This will take you to the bot interface. Now you will see the Connect Wallet option at the top of the screen. Next, under Open Wallet in Telegram, you will see Tonkeeper options. Click on Tonkeeper and confirm by pressing yes, and then click on Connect Wallet. You will be prompted to enter your Tonkeeper passcode. Just enter your passcode. Once you've done that, you are connected, and that's it. Now your Tonkeeper wallet is linked with Telegram, allowing you to interact with the bot and manage your transactions directly through the messaging app. It is fast, simple, and super convenient. As in this part, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance into your Tonkeeper wallet. It is super easy, and I will walk you through it step by step. First, open the Tonkeeper app. You will note that Tonkeeper supports multiple assets, including Toncoin and USDT, but they all share the same wallet address. So to receive USDT, we will use the same address. To get your wallet address, find the dollar sign at the top of the screen, then click on your wallet address, which you cannot copy. Alternatively, you can scroll down to your assets, click on USDT, and press the receive button in the middle. This will show you the same wallet address specifically for receiving USDT. Click copy it. Now open your Binance app. You need USDT in your Binance account, and I will show you how to withdraw it to your Tonkeeper wallet. In Binance, click wallets and select withdraw. Click withdraw again. For here, choose USDT because we want to withdraw USDT. Click send Y crypto network, and for here, long press to paste the wallet address you just copied from Tonkeeper. And for the network, make sure you select the Ton network for the transaction. Once you've confirmed the network, you will see open 3 USDT fees for this transaction on the Ton network. Now enter the amount of USDT you want to send. For me, will be 10.5 and press withdraw. So here, remember that the tag or memo session is optional, so you don't need to fill that in. Click confirm again. Once the withdrawal is processed, you will receive a notification. Head back to Tonkeeper and you will see the USDT deposited into your wallet. As you can see, I sent $10.2 worth of USDT from Binance and received the full $10.2 in my Tonkeeper wallet. That's how you withdraw USDT from a centralized exchange like Binance into your Tonkeeper wallet using the Ton network. Now that we've covered the basic of withdrawing crypto into Tonkeeper, and when you go to your wallet, you will see a W5 site next to your wallet. Let's discuss W5 wallet and its roles in the Ton blockchain ecosystem. Ton, or the open network, supports various assets beyond its native cryptocurrency, Ton token. This includes assets like USDT, a stablecoin, TS-Ton, a staking token, and even unique NFTs such as art, collectibles, or tokenized usernames and domains. New users may face a problem if they don't hold Ton token, as they need to pay network fees when making blockchain transactions. However, Ton has introduced 2 special features to solve these issues: gasless transactions transactions, and Tonkeeper battery. Gasless transactions allow users to cover transaction fees with stable coins like USDT without needing any Toncoin. This makes it easier for users to use blockchains, even if they don't own Toncoins. The Tonkeeper battery feature, on the other hand, is like an off-channel account within the Tonkeeper app. You can tap it out with a bank card, USDT, or other assets, which will automatically handle all your transaction fees. This feature supports more complex transactions like transferring tokens, trading NFTs, or executing smart contracts. In summary, the W5 wallet integrates Gasline transactions to simplify fee payments for certain stablecoins, while Tonkeeper battery gives you a more flexible ways to pay gas fee with different crypto assets. This means you can use the Ton network without worrying about owning Toncoin. Finally, in this session, I will show you how to use the swap feature in the Tonkeeper wallet. We will go through how to swap USDT for Toncoin and then how to sell Toncoin back into USDT. First, open the Tonkeeper app. You will see your balance for USDT and Toncoin under the asset section. To start swapping, tap swap at the top of the screen. Here, you will see option to swap between the cryptocurrencies that Tonkeeper supports. I'm going to swap USDT into Toncoin. So under the send sessions, I will choose USDT as the currency I want to exchange. Under the receive sessions, I will select Toncoin. You can enter the amount of USDT you want to swap. I will enter $10 USDT, and it will show me how many Toncoins I will receive in returns based on the current exchange rates. Once you are happy with the amount, press continue. You will be prompted to convert the swap, and if all looks good, just press convert and slide to convert. Enter your passcode. The transaction will be processed in a few moments, and you will see Toncoins appear in your wallet. Now let's reverse the process and swap Toncoin back into USDT. Go back to the swap screen, and this time under the send section, select Toncoins. Under the receive section, choose USDT. I'm going to swap the Toncoin I just bought back into USDT. You can enter the amount of Toncoin you want to swap. Let's say I'm swapping back the equivalent of $12 worth of Toncoins. Press 2.5, press continue, review the details, and press convert to complete the swap, and slide to convert again. Enter your passcode. After a short wait, you will see that your Toncoin has been successfully converted back into USDT, and your wallet balance will update to reflect the transactions. And that wraps up our details guide on how to use the Tonkeeper wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.